In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the day of week indicator on TradingView to effortlessly highlight the days of the week on your chart. This simple yet powerful feature can make a big difference in how you interpret your data and plan your trades. Let's dive right in by opening up the indicator library. To do this, simply look towards the top of your TradingView chart and click on the Indicators menu. It's here where we find the array of tools available to us to customize our charts. Now, once you're in the indicator library, you'll see a search bar. Type in day of week. This search will bring up a selection of indicators specifically designed to help you mark the days of the week on your chart. Several options will likely appear, including the day of week label indicator or perhaps day of week by @Manoe SCL. You can choose either, as both will serve our purpose here. Simply click on the indicator to add it to your chart. With the indicator now added, the next step involves a bit of customization. If you click on the indicator's name directly on your chart or find the gear icon next to it, you'll open the settings menu. This is where the magic happens. You have the option to select specific days you want to stand out. Maybe you only want to highlight weekdays, or perhaps the beginning and end of the trading week are most critical for you. Make these selections according to your strategy. Additionally, within the settings menu, you can adjust the color, line style, and even the opacity of these highlights. This customization ensures that your chart not only provides better insights, but also remains visually appealing and suited to your personal trading preferences. Besides the indicator itself, TradingView offers a handy feature called Day of Week on Labels. To enable this feature, begin by opening the chart settings. This can be done by simply double-clicking on any of the chart bars or clicking the gear icon located on the top panel. Once inside the settings, navigate to the Scales, or sometimes labeled Scales and Lines tab. Here you'll find an option labeled Day of Week on Labels. Check this box and you'll see the days of the week displayed directly on your timeline labels, providing a clear and concise reference right there on your chart. And there you have it, folks. With these easy steps, you can now efficiently highlight the days of the week on your TradingView charts and enhance your trading strategies. Happy trading!